Hi, this is Tyler with TC Brothers. I'm here to talk to you today about our metric and universal forward controls. If you've got like a metric Japanese motorcycle and you're looking for a more comfortable foot position than your stock mid controls, I highly recommend that you check out the line of metric forward controls from TC Brothers. For starters, we make these forward controls 100% in America. They're high quality, CNC machined aluminum foot pegs. For strength, they're knurled to keep your foot from sliding off, and they are a precision fit with oil impregnated bronze bushings for a nice smooth action that's going to last a long time on your motorcycle. These are very low maintenance, these are replaceable, and we support all the replacement parts for these. Should you ever need anything, that's not a problem. They also include the mounting hardware to bolt them to your motorcycle, as well as the mounting brackets that typically bolt to either the front engine mounts or the front down tubes on your bike. It varies a little bit by model, but these particular ones do bolt to the front down tubes. They use the motor mount bolts. Simple, they're TIG welded, heavy duty, thick American steel, got a durable black powder coat finish that's going to last a long time. These are very simple, minimalistic design forward controls. There's not a lot of, extra skulls or flames or anything like that that you may see on other forward controls. These are very minimalistic and vintage styled with sleek curves that give a, more tasteful appearance in our opinion than some of the other offerings you may see. What's nice about these forward controls is we don't limit you on your linkage application. If you've got a vintage, let's say Yamaha XS650, for example, and you're looking to build like a chopper out of it and you want to put a foot clutch or a cable brake or anything like that, that's not an issue, because the reason of that is we sell the linkage rods separately from the kit. That allows you to only buy the linkage rods if you need them. If you don't need them, you're not paying the money for something you're not going to use. The linkage rods are a universal linkage kit. They include a fully threaded 5/16 diameter steel rod and a set of 5/16 inner diameter by 1/2 inch outer diameter steel tubing. What's nice about that is all you've got to do on your bike, once you've bolted the forward controls on and you've got your locations of where your linkages are going to attach, you can cut these rods to length. You can cut the outer tubes to a slightly shorter length to allow you to put a jam nut on the end and then finish off with these ball joints. They're all steel, got a nice dust shield on them, last a long time, heavy duty, and when it's all said and done, it looks almost as though it was a one-piece linkage rod, even though it's really universal and easy to cut the length, because all the threads are hidden by the tube and it makes it much more rigid than just being a threaded rod by itself. We make a lot of different model kits that are direct fit to different bikes, but if you happen to find that your bike isn't offered, and you got a rare bike or something that just nobody makes anything for, we do offer a universal mounting bracket system as well. It's basically the materials that we use to make our mounting kits, but with no holes drilled in them, no shape cut out, same spacer material. So if you've got a bike and you've got a little bit of fabrication skill, you can usually just make like a cardboard template of the shape mount that you need, transfer that design onto the steel, drill your holes, cut out your outline, and then weld on this spacer to wherever your mounting hole for the forward control is. What's nice is the rods that come to mount the forward control are fully threaded. So this is how simple these go on. They thread into the forward control itself on this end, same threads. The spacer goes here. Whatever mounting bracket shape you cut out, you got the hole there. Let's pretend the hole's in here. That bolt will pass through. Just put a nut on the backside, tighten everything down. You've got a super rigid, super tough forward control mount. I mean, this is 5/16 inch thick, solid steel. That all you've got to do is just a little bit of welding, a little bit of paint or powder coat, and you're going. But like I said, it does require a little bit of welding, a little more involved, but for those of you guys that can't find a direct bolt-on kit, it's about the best you're going to find then. So this is just a little example of what we really make. If you want to see more styles and check to see if we've got a direct fit kit for your bike, or you've got questions before or after the sale, you can call us, you can email us, and you can find out a lot of information by visiting our website, tcbros.com.